second quarter GDP, that is for the months of July, August as well as September, will be announced today at 5:30 p.m. and a CNBC-TV18 poll sees the number coming in at 7.03%. So that's the poll. Latha Venkatesh is right here to tell us what to expect and what are the parameters. Tell us, Latha.
Well, the overall second quarter GDP expected to come around 7% as per our poll. Just to give you the trajectory, it was 7.8% in Q1, and year ago, the 7% comes over a 6.2% year ago. But let's just concentrate on the 7%. It's a damn good number if it comes that way, because the Reserve Bank's forecast, and that's a fairly accurate forecast normally, for July, August, September quarter is 6.5. So this is like a huge outperformance if it indeed comes at 7. As well, the US GDP growth number for same July, August, September, which was announced overnight, expected to come at 5%, has come in at 5.2%. So usually when a large economy grows higher than expected, you can see ripple effects. So there's a very good chance that we are going to outperform the Reserve Bank's 6.5% forecast. Agriculture will not be the one that will give a helping hand. As we know, there have been troubles with unseasonal and late and delayed monsoons, badly distributed. So that's coming in at only 2.7% according to our poll, compares with 3.5% year ago. But everything else is strong. Industry expected to be strong because even if you looked at the IIP numbers, which come earlier, for July, August, September, the average is 7.4%. So industry should do well. Services, trade, hotels, finance, all these sectors, the incremental data we get from either PMI or PMI services or from other sources are indicating a strong showing. And the nominal GDP, which is real GDP plus inflation, may not be very high. It may be closer to 8% because the deflator used is WPI, and WPI has wholesale price index has been running negative. So we may not see a very big difference between nominal and real GDP. The importance of this number is it's the last big number before the monetary policy is announced on December 8th by the Reserve Bank. So if it's a very strong number, the Reserve Bank will take cognizance of this and may continue with the tightening of liquidity that it has been at. But a strong growth number will also mean that foreign investors who are already fairly bullish on India, have been net buyers over the past week, could perhaps buy more ferociously.
All right, Latha, thanks a lot for getting us all of those details. That is the key data point to track for our own markets. The India GDP numbers will be out at around 5:30 today. But with that, let's also talk about some important